Hi everyone, welcome to week 10, and you'll see that the topic is healthy living. And the first activity is something you need to add one of your ideas or links or resources to using Padlet, the app. So if I open this, I click on Padlet, you'll see I have three categories: things to do in Vancouver to stay healthy, home remedies for colds and flus, and healthy eating ideas. So for example, I've added two things here, and you can click on them to get more information because they are links. But for instance, if I want to add a healthy eating idea, I just click on the add, and then if I scroll, and then you'll see here that if I wanted to add a link, I could just add a link here. I could add a photo. If I click more, I can upload a file, etc. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to say healthy eating ideas, for example, raw vegetables. And if I want to add a link, as I said, if I click on link, I can add my URL here. So you can do research and share that research with other students. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about Padlet. Everybody should add one idea to the Padlet. All right, next is news article, 5 Habits of Successful People. It takes a minute to load. Just don't forget, you can listen here while you're reading, but also and then the vocabulary of the week is highlighted. And then at the very end of the article, you'll see that they review the words in the story, so you can review here. And then also there is a quiz, so make sure you test your understanding using the quiz, start quiz here. That's a self-correcting quiz, so it won't be recorded onto the website, but it's very useful practice for you to do. All right, going back, then there's a discussion. Don't forget, there's 3 questions. You see Go Hui has already answered. I would like to see more students adding to the discussion, please, this week. And then we have a 4-part reading activity. And you'll see the name of the article is a weather illness myth. Okay, so there's vocabulary, there's an article, there's some idioms that go with the article, and there's some different ways of practicing, the idea, the main ideas, etc. So paragraph 1, what is the main idea? Okay, so I'd like you to work through those activities, focusing on reading skills. Listening, I have an activity here, staying healthy, from Ello. So when you open it, you just start here. Okay, Jeff talks about what he does to keep himself healthy, and you'll see there's also there's a quiz. So if I click here, there's the quiz. Again, very useful. The vocabularies here that you can practice, some new words with pronunciation. You can also read the script. Okay, so lots of practice in listening. And then this is a great video for you to listen to, and there's some questions, another discussion, and finally some vocabulary from last week. All right, so have a wonderful week, everyone, and let me know if you have any questions.